Here are the 5 most common fire stopping installation mistakes. Number 1 is not following an approved and tested fire stopping system. Fire stopping systems are just like those pesky directions that come with your kids' toys at Christmas time. No matter how tempting it is to ignore them, it will save time and a lot of headache if you just open them up and follow the directions. Number 2 is using products that are not third-party tested. When the label on a tube of caulk has red flame and uses the word fire, it simply means that they're doing a really good job of branding and marketing, but they're not necessarily meaning that the requirements meet US building codes. There are many products on the market that don't carry the inherent fire resistant rating that you need, and when searching for a fire stopping product, always make sure it meets code and has been tested by a third party entity like UL, Omega Point, FM, or Intertech. Number 3 is mixing different brands of fire stopping manufacturers. There are several great fire stop manufacturers. The big 3 are STI, Hilti, 3M, and each one has spent millions of dollars designing and testing their own passive fire protection solutions to meet certain ratings. Products of different manufacturers most likely are not tested together, and as a result, they won't have the correct documentation to meet code. Number 4 is poor installation. More often than not, developers or general contractors will delegate the fire stopping responsibility to the mechanical, electric, or plumbing trades to self-perform the fire stopping work. But as fire stopping continues to advance and develop, and the enforcement of it continues to advance, and the understanding of it continues to advance, those MEP installers don't know about those fire stopping specifications, and nor should they be expected to. Fire stopping has become much more than just a caulk and walk. Even the best products, when installed poorly, will not perform as they are intended to. And number 5 is that elusive annular gap. This is the space between the penetrating material like a pipe or a conduit, cable, etc., and the inside edge of the penetration opening. There are many restrictions on how big or how little that space can be depending on what type of material is running through it. And if the annular gap is too large or too narrow for the tested system that is being used as the basis of design, then that fire stopping product will probably not work as it is intended, and that risked schedule delays from failed inspections, or worse, life safety. The best course of action is to hire a professional fire stopping contractor who has a proven track record and has the qualifications and certifications and experience to execute on the job when time is money.